Hello guys, welcome along again to our channel. Today now we're going to be installing this rare number plate light onto the 2024 wing. This is a chrome one with red lights, so without further ado, let's do the installation. But in the meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe, like and leave a comment. Alright, so before we start the installation, I'll just go through what we have. The box comes with your light and a connector, and there's a screw in there as well. Now these are smoked lens with a red light, and they also come available with chrome. And again, they also have a red light. So they're the two variances that are available at the moment. So, and we start the installation. Okay, what we've got to do now first of all is remove the back panel. You've got two screws up there. I've already removed them just to make it easier. Pull out the panel and disconnect your light. Now we've got to remove the rear light. We will have to drill a small hole to put through the connector. Now you have two choices. You can drill a hole big enough for this, or cut the wires and do some slicing and dicing. Your choice. Now we'll just go and drill a hole. So I've now drilled a hole, just in case, big enough for the connector. So I'm not doing any rewiring. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Join us on our YouTube channel, Shinywing European Goldwing Specialists. So you have your white connector. Plug back in the license plate light, plug in our own light, and we'll just check them before we reconnect them. And it's not working because we've plugged it out. You can cut this part of the video where I'm doing this. Okay, now that the lights are working, we'll just turn off the ignition. And just tidy up the wires behind. And just reinstall your panel. And your two screws in there, and all done. I hope you enjoyed our video, and if you have any comments, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for any further updates. Talk to you on the next video. So it's goodbye from Paul.